I just made over $900 online from just listening to music, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it even if you are beginners with no experience. All you need is your computer or smartphone. Imagine listening to one song you get $12, listening to 10 songs you get $150, listening to 20 songs you get $250. And the good news is there is no limit on how many times you can do it. Just imagine you put headphones in your ears, you listen to music and you get money for it. Think about how many songs you are listening in the last 5-10 years. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make money on Spotify just by listening to music online. Of course, almost everyone streams music online, whether it's on YouTube or Spotify or maybe on Apple Music. I'm going to show you how to make money with all these apps. So if you already listening to music, you are wasting all your time. In this video I'm going to lay everything out so that you guys can make money listening to music and of course enjoy really good music. If you are happy to see this, click the like button right now and be sure to click subscribe if you want to see more videos like this about making money online. And if you still have any questions, post in the comments, I will help you out. Let's get started. The method I'm going to show you all you need is a Spotify account, and you also need a PayPal account so you can get your earnings at the end of the day. You won't need any investment for this method of earnings. Imagine if you got paid to listen to each song, that would be a lot of money for you. On average it's $12 per song. Imagine if you listen to 20 or 50 songs in one day. How much you can earn in one day with this method? So make sure you watch this video to the end, you don't miss any of the steps I show you. This is important. Playlist Push is a site that pays users to listen to and review music uploaded by artists. There are two different categories of users on this site. The first group is artists who upload their music trying to become the next popular stars like Beyoncé or Drake. These artists need help gaining an audience of fans and people who will listen to their music to help them become more popular. These artists are willing to pay money for it, and we are going to help them do that. We just need to listen to the music. Just look at examples of artists who have become popular with this service. Look at their Spotify account and how many monthly listeners they have. The second group of people are curators of playlists with music that we will add music to that we need to listen to. Our job is to listen to music all the time, and then we will get paid for listening to the music within the playlist. So the artists get paid and we curators get paid. It's really that simple. As you can see here, the website is mentioned in Fortuna magazine, Time, Wired. This site can really be trusted. The site has over 100,000 users and over 30 million listens. To make money, all you have to do is listen to music and review it. Artists pay users to review their music, so Playlist Push pays users for their reviews. Each user can earn up to $3,000 a month, and the more they listen, the more they earn. I like using websites like this because it's profitable for everyone. You don't just make money from people who don't have a lot of money. You make money from artists, and artists also get the publicity they want. You need to enter your name, your email, the country you live in, your cell phone number and the link to the Spotify playlist you have. After registering, you will receive music tracks to add to your playlist. Listen to them and you will get money for listening. I highly recommend that you read this article, which 5 steps how to create a playlist, how to get subscribes to it and start earning even more. The second way to make money is to publish videos in TikTok using music from the Playlist Push service. This site is willing to pay up to $250 for every video that is published on TikTok using the artist music. It works very simple. See for yourself. You sign up for the service, get a list of available tracks, publish a video to TikTok and get paid. It's simple. TikTok is now a very popular social network where every video gets hundreds of thousands of views. This is a great chance to make money by listening to music, creating videos of that music and posting them on TikTok. To summarize, you need to go to the Playlist Push website, read all all the information on it, make a registration. After activating your account, start listening to music, thus promoting new artists and get paid for it. This way is perfect for all music lovers. Be sure to read the help for creators sections before you start, as the developers of the service have made a lot of useful articles which will help you get started earning more with this service. I hope this video was useful to you. Subscribe to my channel, I will be very happy to see you among my subscribers. Give a like to this video. If you are interested in starting to make money online, I recommend you watch this video. Good luck!